Hello, today we will learn about probability related to GRE. In mathematics, probability is a measure of uncertainty. That means if we take any activity, either it will be done which is counted as 100% or 1, or it will not be done at all which is counted as 0% or 0. That means activity is done or not done. So probability of any event occurring falls between 0 and 1. If it is the activity is being carried out, it is 1. If it is not carried out, it's 0. So there are some terminologies related to probability. Probability experiment, that is first one. In the probability experiment is that the experiment for which the result is uncertain is known as probability experiment. That means the activity which we are going to perform is known as experiment, and it is also called as random experiment. Second is outcome. Outcome is result of a single trial of experiment. That suppose we take an experiment of rolling a dice, and after rolling, if we get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, any of the number in one chance is known as outcome. Okay, here we are considering only a single trial of the experiment, while event is set of outcomes. If we carried out any activity and there are more than one option choices, there are more than one outcomes possible. That means if you are rolling a dice and probability of getting an even number, in even number we will have three option choices, 2, 4 and 6. Similarly, if we are rolling a dice and getting odd number, the out of 6, here we are having 3 chances for odd number, 1, 3, 5. There are also 3 options possible. Similarly, if we roll a dice and get a number above 4, there are only 2 numbers, that is 5 and 6. So there are 2 option choice possible out of the number available 6, because in a dice there are 6 numbers, 6. So that is event. Event is a set of outcomes, while outcome is a single trial. In a one throw, what you get is the result of a single trial of an experiment. The probability of an event is if we consider any event M, then probability of that event M is number of outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. This is the formula for finding the probability. Now there are 2 types of events. One is equally likely event. In this type of event, the outcomes which are having same probability of occurring for an experiment, like if we roll the dice, then getting 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or the 6, the probability is same. Any of the number if we get out of the 6 option choices, we get any digit, the probability remains the same. It will be 1 by 6. Similarly, if a square is having, we have divided this square in 4 parts, and this color is red, and this is yellow, and this is blue, and this is green. So jumping on any of the color, the probability will be same. If we jump on red color, it will be 1 by 4. For yellow, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Here everywhere for all the option choices, the probability remains the same, constant. While in not equally likely event, in that the outcomes which are having different probability of occurring for an experiment. That means suppose we are having a box and we are having 12 green, 3 red, 8 pink and 11 yellow balls. The probability of choosing green ball is more because green is the maximum in number. Similarly, choosing a red ball is least. The probability of choosing a red ball is least because the number of red balls available are 3. Thank you. For more videos, log on to limaglobal.com.